Hi! Today, we learn 50 essential words for shopping in English. Let's go! Mall, mall. Store, store. Customer, customer. Cashier, cashier. Price tag, price tag. Receipt, receipt. Shopping cart, shopping cart. Basket, basket. Wallet, wallet. Purse, purse. Money and payment. Cash, cash. Coin, coin. Credit card, credit card. Debit card, debit card. Change, change. Discount, discount. Sale, sale. Coupon, coupon. Refund, refund. Exchange, exchange. Part 3. Inside the store. Aisle, aisle. Shelf, shelf. Counter, counter. Fitting room, fitting room. Mirror, mirror. Display, display. Escalator, escalator. Elevator, elevator. Entrance, entrance. Exit, exit. Part 4. Common items. Groceries, groceries. Electronics, electronics. Cosmetics, cosmetics. Jewelry, jewelry. Toys, toys. Stationery, stationery. Furniture, furniture. Footwear, footwear. Accessories, accessories. Gift, gift. Part 5. Verbs and actions. Buy, buy. Sell, sell. Spend, spend. Pay, pay. Try on, try on. Wait, wait. Scan, scan. Deliver, deliver. Order, order. Window shopping, window shopping.